Don't overtake, okay? My life is expensive. Mag-grocery kami kasi kailangan ko na ng grocery items. Ang haba na ng ano ko. Ito pala yung katrabaho ko. Sebong? Let's go. La Pati. Au revoir. Magmamotor kami. Tomorrow. Inshallah. Drive dusma muna mi, okay? Staff namin siya. Falilo ang pangalan niya. So guys, joyride kami. So makikita nyo wala talagang ano, walang magandang daan. Puro buhangin. Nobody will get my cellphone, ha? Nobody will grab my cellphone.
You keep it.
Okay, I keep very well. I keep very well. Okay. So guys, ang daming tao. Anong oras pa?
You can take movie, but be careful, pa.
Black coffee?
Yes.
Is that coffee? Wow, nagbebenta siya ng kape. No, it's okay.
It's free, huh?
That's free. Grabe ang traffic.
Talk to you.
Nakalimutan ko pala magmask. Sayang naman yung velo face. So ito yung mga nakikita nyo dyan guys, o mga football, mga ganyan. Parang nasa ano ka lang, nasa liblib na lugar sa Pilipinas. Parang baryo-baryo ka. Ang tatangkad ng mga tao dito, ah. Your people are very tall.
Yeah.
Like giant.
Okay, I understand.
Ito naman siya, si Falilu. He knows how to speak English naman. Bago lang din namin siyang staff. So mga 3 months pa lang. Bait naman siya. Ang dry kasi talaga ng lips ko. Grabe, nagpupuling ako. So you've been driving for how many years?
Huh?
You're driving how many years?
Since 10 years, huh?
10 years now. Oh. Dami ring motor, oh.
Since I was a child.
Oh. Don't overtake, okay? My life is expensive. Sa traffic kami. Ito yung mga friends na. Palilo, ha, I have to hold you very well. I need to grab a hand. Police, ha? They are catching people, ha? This place is populated, no?
Yes, very populated.
Very populated. So don't marry it. Don't marry it so that you will not add population.
I already have a wife
You have a wife
and I want one child.
and 1 kid?
Yes,
But you look like small Pekin.
I know.
You look like a kid.
Many person tell me that.
Matinik ka rin pala. Matinik. You know matinik? How old are you?
31.
31? Wow, we are doing interview in the while driving. Guys, yung grocery. I'll just go fast muna mi,
Okay.
Okay. Where will I see you?
Here.
Here? Okay, there. Okay. Tingin tayo ng pwede nating mabili. Parang walang mga expat dito, guys. Parang konti lang kung. Marami namang pwedeng bilhin dito. So, yun. At least kahit pa paano may magandang grocery. So guys, pauwi na kami. Medyo traffic. Katakot.
One even to Boracay.
Shortcut.
There is even for.
A very big
Very big.
Dahan-dahan lang. So guys, masaya ako dito sa Manila ako kahit kung paano. Bumili ako Nutella, mga dapat. Ako hangin siya eh. So yun, so thank you guys for watching the vlog. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.